accepted, I mean approved. So, but neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, we are gonna fill this form as a sample. I want service in English. So let's say the applicant name is Nancy Smith. Okay, and Nancy is filling this form. Have you used any other name? I select no. You have to fill as per your case. Gender, date of birth, city, town, country, current country or territory of residence. So she is in India. Status, citizen. Previous country or territory of residence in during the past 5 years. Have you lived in any country or territory other than your country of citizenship or your current country or territory of residence for more than 6 months? I select no. She has lived only in India. Country will same as country or territory of residence. I select yes. The current marital status. She is, let's say, married. When was the marriage? So let's say she got married in 2019. Yeah. But now legal age has gone up to 21 in India, right? So I'll just put 2021. 7. Okay. Name of current spouse. So I'll put Smith. Just example. Have you previously been married? I select no. Native language. She comes from India. So just for example, Hindi. Are able to communicate English or French? English. Which language? Okay. Have you taken a test from designated authority? I select no. Passport. We match it 3 times, not just one time, 3 times. Country or territory of issue, India. Issue date 2022. I'm just putting sample. 10. Oh, format is important. See the guys, date format is very important. Understand the format and then you enter these because your passport may have a different format of date. So make sure you convert into the correct format and then enter because you don't want it to be in trouble in future. Do you have a nationality document? So when I had applied for my work permit first, I had selected yes and I had provided information about my PAN card and in my letter of explanation I had explained and it was super smooth. But and now in India, I think you have Aadhaar card and other things also. Now, and it also depends upon your nationality because based on your nationality, you may have different identification cards. US PR card. Are you lawful resident? Yes, I select no. Means for the purpose of this video, I just selected no. But if you have definitely provide and in your client explanation later, explain the same. Mailing address. I'm just putting sample. You put proper information. City, town. It was New Delhi, right? At least that I should write. Ha ha ha. I have been Delhi to a few times. My experience, I won't tell here. Haha. Destination same as mailing address. Yes. Phone number. I select other. I select cellular. Who doesn't have a cellular phone nowadays? Very few. Phone number. Sample guys. Email address. Very important. You write it. And this form, although will run the validation at the end, but it's always important that you verify 2 times what you have entered. Whatever work permit you are applying for, I select open work permit. So I don't have to enter before questions 2 to 6. You can check this in the guide. Education. Have you had any post-secondary education? So let's say she has studied graduation from 2019-06 to field of study, field and levels. I'm just writing bachelor's of science, school, New Delhi, science experts, limited, Aish, city town, Delhi, country, India. Okay, date, let's say she has studied 2022. To 07. Employment just doesn't mean employment. Anything that you were doing, like studying, not working, all the things that you can do. Like, for example, if she's not working now, we can put not working. Like, let's say after studies, she hasn't worked yet. So we can write that. And here we can do a not applicable. If you're not working, put that not working. For example, in her case, I'll say Kelly. Okay. So like that. Before that, she has studied. She studied before that anything like she was studying, not studying, whatever is as per it is for 10 years. Okay. Okay. And you have to put like occupation. So if you are working, so that you should know. Background within past 2 years, tuberculosis. I select no. You need to answer as per your case. Have you ever been refused visa? Have you applied or entered to remain in Canada? I select no, but if you have done, definitely do. Committed crime, no. You want her to be contacted by IRC in future? I select yes. You can put that, you can select the date here. Signature. Now, the next thing you need to do is to scroll up all the way up and validate. Now, if I missed any question, it's the yes. Okay. Now I'll validate once more. Okay, successful. So now you can save this form, including the barcodes, and then upload it. If you're applying online, you don't need to print and sign. You can save it like this and upload. Now I will go take you to the document.